So you now start activity 4 of the complex circuit board checklist. Step number 1 is write your name on the checklist sheet. You can check that off. So next is to draw the schematic. So first things first. Here's our positive and their negative. The voltage source is 6 volts. We'll come down, and this here represents our op amp. Next you can come up here, and now we'll be using the potentiometer, which is used as this. Here's our positive and here's a negative connection. So you bring in the positive, we're using the third ampere. This will connect to the positive here, come down, just like this here. And this first will be connecting all the way back to here. So that is, oh, I already forgot. Now our schematic is drawn and built. So now we can check this off the list. So we now have written my name on the checklist and drawn the schematic, which is here. So now we can move on and build the circuit, well, explain the circuit connections. So here we have the op amp, the LM324. We've already placed it in here to the breadboard. Next we will take the potentiometer, the pot, we'll insert it, put it just here. There we go. Worst things next, we can connect the positive and the negative ports, like so. And we'll get the negative here. So with that complete, we can move on to connecting them together. So now we'll connect this to the third pin out. There's the first connection. Now we'll take the negative and do this exact same on the exact same side. So we'll now take one of these negative wires and connect it to the right side of the pot. Just this one on the far right, this one there. So you connect it into the negative rail all the way over. So, and last but not least, we will connect one more positive wire from just here to the left hand side, not the middle. Just there. So then here is our completed circuit. Make sure everything's nice and connected. Yeah. So now we have built the circuit, we'll explain the circuit connections and used the appropriate coloured wire. So for the final piece of wire connected, it will be just first, second, so. Correct, and now our last piece, sorry for this piece being here. It'll be through this second, third up pin, up onto the middle of the pot here. We'll leave a space just in between the pot and this green wire here, but we'll leave a small space there just so when we go to test it will work. So then that there is our completed circuit. So now we can build the circuit. We'll explain the circuit connections and we've used the appropriate coloured wires. So the last step now is just to test the circuit as explained above. So we already have our negative connection in here on the negative rail. And we have our positive just clicked into the first up rail. And if you look up here at the multimeter, you can see when we turn this little thing on the pot, it will go up. And then if we turn it back down, it will go down. So I've now tested the circuit as explained above. I can take that. I have not done that yet. Oh, the nodes. Yeah, so the nodes in the circuit is just one here, which would be from the positive. So it would just be this line here in between there. That is the first node. And the second node we have is on the other side, just down here. Node 2. So that's on the other side of the op amp. It is just on the negative rail here. These are the nodes. So I have relayed the schematic, and that is us done for today, activity 4.